Yo, what's up, guys?
Hello.
Hello, how we doing? Lucky's here. We're gonna do a video on a flood escape, which we've never done before, but we decided we would do one tonight. I am on the clock, cause got school, gotta go to bed. My mommy, my mommy gonna whoop me if I don't need to go to bed. All right, so let's get started.
Yep.
Flood
All right, server.
start.
Start the.
Server start the flood.
Yes.
Wee. Oh, there's cop cars. I guess they don't want us going that way.
They're redirecting everyone the fastest way. I have a route set, so
I don't.
here, if you could let me in front of you somehow.
Here,
Yeah.
kind of pass me. Pass me, quick, 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 quick.
Holy moly. All right, and
careful
also
up
we
here, be
can
careful.
reset whenever we want.
Yeah, we can reset whenever.
Nope. Okay, sorry about that.
Oh my god.
All right, we gotta go fast. We gotta go fast. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
Oh. No, no, no. Alright, I'm sorry I'm cheating, but I want to get a video up.
Oh. Yep. Cheating. Cheating.
Well, no.
Oh wait,
It reset.
the magical gods. The magical gods helped us.
The magical gods
They're giving
helped
us
us.
some spare time.
They're giving us spare time.
Thank you, magical gods.
Thank you.
Oh, there's a bumper. We know this isn't really fair, but we want a video, you know.
And we're on the dot. Got like 5
The
minutes.
dot.
Well, it's like kind of a saying for like we don't have a lot of time.
Whoa, it's going pretty fast.
Oh my!
What happened to the flood? Oh no.
Gods, please, please, please save us.
A tsunami came or something.
Oh my god, that's a
That was
pretty big tsunami.
crazy. That's some big tsunami.
I see the dam.
I think. Alright. Magicalness. I'm right here.
Oh my god.
Am I behind you?
No, I don't think so.
Did you?
I
that
guess
who-
you are. That was me.
That was majestical. Like that landing.
I'm spinning out.
Oh yep. Sorry.
Go, 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 go. Break, break, break.
Holy.
Just know, I'm not that good on my racing wheel yet, and I'm like speeding through the mountains of Italy.
I'm not even that good at controller, but I'm trying my best.
Yeah, because
Oh,
you
there
just
was
got a
fire.
new
That
controller.
was not good.
Oh
Yeah,
my
well,
god, that was a
it's fine.
close one. I messed up my steering.
Oh. Oh, that was clean. I'm pretty sure that was clean. It's still drivable. I don't want to reset too many times. Huge pull to the right.
That was a tree.
Oh. Clutch. Oh, nope, that did not help.
Wait, was I supposed to
Oh,
take?
we got another person.
Was I supposed to take that dirt road?
I
Wait.
don't know.
Oh god.
Alright. We got another one trying to run from the flood. He's lacking. He's not letting me pass. Come on.
Someone's
important than you.
wheel is back here.
If it's whoever that guy is. Alright, then you're gonna take up a right up here where
What are you talking
on the next
about?
corner.
Oh my god, there's a
Oh,
red
oh.
SUV.
Yep. We gotta go. We gotta go. Come on. It's coming.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can.
Oh, drift. Oh, that was clean. Woohoo!
Wait, do I take the dirt road?
No.
He took it.
There's no dirt roads that we take.
Yeah, there's one.
Well, how come I have a map?
I just crashed so badly.
Actually, maybe up to the tower. There's a dirt. Oh yeah, right here that's a dirt road, but like that's it.
I'm not gonna make it. Or am I? Alright. This may sound stupid, but gods, please speed up the flood by 1.
Speed up.
Well, do it by another 1.
No. Please don't. Hey, you know what? Do it. I dare you.
Bro, I'm cheating.
I should have picked the rally one. Or made it all-wheel
Facts.
drive.
I have race tires and I'm on this dirt road.
I've raced everything and I'm on this dirt road. Oh, wait. We made it. Yo.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Into the water. Alright. I made it, everybody. Oh, I'm in slow-mo. My car's broken.
I see the tower.
Alright. I made it.
Whoa!
GG.
GG's,
Oh,
everybody.
your car was like... Sorry for the quick video.
Yeah,
and,
sorry for the quick video. We'll do more videos on flood escapes. It's just, you know, it's late at night. Don't mind that black dot flying through the sky.
Oh, where did he? There we go. Alright, well.
Well, with
Go
that, we're
check
gonna
out-
end the video. Go check out my friend Lucky. He's a great guy.
And go look at Boomer's server.
Yeah, look
He
at
loves
Boomer's
everybody.
server. It's Boomer's OGC2 modded. Also, just know that
He'd love if anybody joined.
you would love it.
Yep, he was... Oh, okay, anyways.
That was never there.
Anyways.
Okay, so, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end.
Yep.
And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
See you.